What is going on, guys? I am gassed. My product range is finally dropped. And when I say finally, we have it in the shop. I have it in my hands right now. It is my baby. We have a 100k subs giveaway. So as I finally reach 100k, I got that lovely little silver plaque. Guys, because you guys support me, you guys follow me, you have a chance now to win every single one of my products. I've got 4-5 different products for you to win. I've got a dust, I've got a hairspray, I've got a texturizing spray, I've got a clay, and I've got a matte paste. Guys, you could win all of them, and I'm also, because I love you guys, chucking in a brand new pair of Cordless Wool Seniors. All you have to do, and it's not even a lot, I'm not asking you guys for a lot, yeah, because I love ya. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel. You must be subscribed to Kieron the Barber on TikTok. That is K1ERONTHEBARBER. I don't know why, for some reason it wouldn't let me have the normal one. So it's K1ERONTHEBARBER on TikTok, right? Comment under this video your Instagram handle, your Instagram tag, your Instagram @ whatever you want. Comment down below your Instagram for me. I want to know who you are so I can put you in this raffle. Also, on my Instagram post, tag one friend. That is all you have to do, is tag one of your friends on this Instagram post. What is going out, the Instagram post will clearly say give away. Right, the final entry will be on the 1st of June this year, and it will be revealed the week afterwards. Obviously, everyone who comments will go into this raffle. As I've said just before, if you subscribe and you click that notifications button, screenshot that, send me a little message or a direct message. Do not send any nudes. I've had that too many times this week already, right? Listen, get me a DM, send me it, you'll get an extra entry into that, okay? Guys, peace and love, enjoy this video. Woo! What's going on, everyone? It is Kieron the Barber, and I am back with another video. Today we are doing a skin fade, pretty high skin fade, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Start off mid and we get it up nice and high. Maka has lovely curls in his hair, so we're gonna start off with my Ergo X's trimmers. We're going to put in that line, nice little zero line, get that guide in, because that's what you want to do. I'll be honest, right at the start of every haircut, you want to get that guideline in. You don't want to be coming up, you want to be putting your guideline in and then shaving downwards and shaving upwards, getting rid of the bulk of hair. Then what I do is I start off with a number 2, remove the rest of it to give me a clear path to where I'm going. I don't want to be blending out, because the problem is when you start blending, when you haven't taken the number 2 up, is you'll take your blend higher naturally by accident and stuff like that. So make sure when you've done your guideline, start with a number 2, remove your bulk so you've got clear airway. On number 2, you go from 1.5 to a 1 to a 0 guard open to a 0 guard closed to a no guard open, no guard closed. And also don't forget these foils, making the hair all crispy and that. You know how it is, you know how we like to do them foils, making that nice and smooth, making sure the client walks out with a perfect haircut. Guys, I'll be honest, I have got a lot of energy today. I have had a fizzy drink and I'm a bit hyper, so I apologize if I'm shouting or I'm talking really fast. If you can't understand my accent, there is subtitles always available on my videos, so yeah, you can obviously use them if I'm talking a little bit too fast. Guys, how you doing? How's it been? What you been up to? What day is it today? It's Wednesday, people. It's happy hump day. We loving them hump days. Middle of the week. Well, not, it's like my second day in. It's not the middle of, like, Thursday's more of a hump day for us barbers because we work Saturdays. So this is like hump eve, maybe. So guys, going through the motions, as I said, using my 1.5, then my 1, then my half guard open, my half guard closed. Maka has lovely soft hair, it blends in very nicely, and then from there we're using the Ergo X's. By the way, if I didn't say, we're using the Ergo X's clippers and the Ergo X's trimmers. No guard open, very slowly, very softly, just taking that guard open. The best thing about these Ergo X's is that you can stick because it's got a Tictronic blade, so it ticks when it opens, but I took it off to actually put on a normal lever. The lever opens very wide, so it opens that half guard right out, so it's easier to blend. And guys, like a Richmond always says, cleaning off that hair, cleaning off that surface to make sure you got a clear surface for your fade. Then on to my scissor work. So what we're doing is we're wetting the hair down just on them corners, because we're going to finish up with a little bit of scissor work just to make sure them corners are blending in nicely. Bringing my comb up to a 90-degree angle, making sure that is nice and straight and that is kept nice and straight, so it just makes it blend in perfect. So what we're doing here, guys, is we're repeating exactly the same steps on the back and the other side. So it is literally, as I said, is getting that line in, using the 2, going down from the 1.5 guard, one guard, open and closed, half guard, open and closed, and then 0 open and closed with foils at the start to just make sure that it's nice and crispy and that. So guys, it is Wednesday. I'm having a great day. So guys, while I've got you here, I just thought I'd let you know is we have new products. Our products have landed, our products have dropped. If you want to purchase these products, by the way, there will be a link down below to my website personally where you can buy them from. I'll be really honest with you right now. I'll tell you a secret, I haven't actually put them on my website yet because they've literally just walked through the door as I was editing this video. But if you're watching this in the future, they will definitely be on my website in the future. So if you're listening to this from the future, then you can click on rawimagebarbershop.co.uk and you can order the raw image products. And by the time you've seen the end of this haircut and how fucking good they are, you are going to fall in love with them. I personally have fallen in love with you. We have a dust, a powder, whatever you want to call it. It is dry, it clots the hair, it holds it so well. It's such a good product. We have a texturizing sea salt spray that tastes like kind of a really dark coconutty smell. It smells incredible. What that does is when you put that in as a pre-product, that really dries the hair and holds that hair together. We also have a wax, which is we have raw paste, which is called, so it is a paste that smells really citrusy. It's kind of got a strawberry smell to it. And then we have the matte clay as well, which is really dry. It's a really dry matte clay that also smells amazing. But listen here, right, you guys know, because you guys watched the start of this video, you guys can get them products. All you need to do is go right back to the start of this video, put it on pause, follow the simple steps, and you will win these products potentially. I'm going to chuck in one of each. If you don't win them and this competition's old and you're watching this video from the future, hey, shit happens. Unlucky. But down below, rawimagebarbershop.co.uk, you'll be able to grab some. My wife is personally packaging from them for you. And I'll tell you what, I'll even do you one better. The first 100 products that I sell to you guys, I personally am going to write you guys a handwritten note to say thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting the cause. I appreciate every single one of you, right? I might even chuck in a bag of Haribo if I like you that much. You never know, right? So guys, I just thought I'm going to shut up now because I'm really hyper. I swear to God, I apologize. I'm like blah, 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 talking like 100 miles an hour. But that's because I'm so hyped about these videos. I'm so excited. And I tell you what, I'm a fucking good barber as well. So there we go. That's why I'm hyped, because I love doing sick haircuts. I love doing good haircuts, right? I love it. So I'm here, we're doing this, we're finishing this haircut off. Then what we're going to do is we're going to cut the top, we're going to chip into it. I'm going to tell you about that though when we get there. So now guys, going on to my TPOB, the Pissed Off Barber trimmers. I love using these around the beard, right, and I'll explain to you why I love using them around the beard. Because they're soft. Skin around the beard usually is really sensitive, and this is what I love about the Pissed Off Barber trimmers, is that not only do they cut sharp, like they get rid of the hair very easily, especially with the ceramic blade, but also on top of that, they do not irritate the skin. Like, they're really good because they're just soft. Like, I'll be really honest, I use them on beards and I use them on kids. When a woman comes in and asks a kid to have a skin fade, I won't usually go to foils, but I will use these because they get just as close and they don't irritate the skin. You can see how well these cut, and you can see me go around the bottom of the neck. It's not irritating him at all. It's very comfortable. Me personally, all round great trimmer. And here's a little tip: when you're going to just before foils, get that talc on someone's neck, right? Get that talc just before you're doing foils. What that does is that also creates a little barrier between the skin and the foil. It takes off the hair, but it gives the skin less irritation, which will cause less bumps and stuff like that. It's a really good trick I learned a few years back, and I swear by it. I would always use talc if I'm going around here, just because, as you say, it creates that barrier, but it cuts normal. It'll still cut really well. It just won't leave the skin really rashy or irritated. Now onto the top, cutting from back to front. The reason why I'm cutting from back to front is because his fringe is the feature point coming down to a crop, so I want to leave that fringe slightly heavier. So we're just going to be chipping in ever so slightly from the crown, coming back around to the front of the fringe, just giving that hair lots and lots of texture. And here it is, the first look, raw image texture. This is my sea salt spray. You're about to see what it does. It smells incredible. Yeah, raw image texture, raw texture. That is what we're putting into the hair. Some raw texture. Love it, I actually love it. And you know what, it's taken me months and months to get the right product, and I finally found them. And I'm so happy with them. So guys, you're about to see how well this works.
like the way you're thinking. Here you are. Here you are.
So now onto the raw image dust, raw dust. This again is a hair powder. You get 20 grams in a bottle. It is incredible. It's so good. What the powder does is it goes in dry, it gives it that dry textured look, but it also clots the hair together and gives it that extra hold. Honestly, it's incredible. It's such a good powder. It's one of the best powders that I've used so far. Just holds that hair in real nice. You don't need a lot of it, and yeah, it gives it that dry look, which a lot of people want nowadays. No one wants really that wet look anymore, so this is what this powder is for. And then to finish off, raw finish, our raw image hairspray. I love this. It holds so well, but not only is it a hairspray, it's a dry hairspray, and this is what I've been looking for a long time as well. It's really hard to find a hairspray that doesn't leave the hair like saturated or soaking. This one here leaves it nice and dry. It's got a really matte feel to it about it. Doesn't leave the hair kind of glossy or shiny or anything like that. It just holds it in place. Guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Guys, it has been an absolute pleasure as always filming these videos for you. I know there is a black screen now. I know that. Actually, it's not. I'm going to stick a picture of Macca's haircut up so I can talk to you guys a little bit longer. But guys, as you say, if you don't subscribe, click the subscribe button. It is all peace. It is all love. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you all. Good night.